Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X3 and you need to disconnect transmission line guys or transmission hose, we'll explain guys how to do that in today's video. Very helpful information guys. We have a special fitting that you actually use to disconnect the hose, and if you're missing that one because it's broken or somebody didn't install it when they removed the line last time, we'll explain guys what else you can use, so make sure to stay until the end. All the tools and parts that we use, or if you need to buy tools, parts for your X3 BMW, check out the links, we share them for your convenience. Now let me introduce you quick to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, that way we can keep providing that free information to you. Now let me show you what we have here. Okay, those are this is a 6-cylinder engine, but doesn't matter if you have 4 6-cylinder engine, gasoline or diesel engine, the transmission lines will function in the same way, all of them, and that's what they look like. We have 2 of them right here. You may have it multiple locations, but almost all of them are exactly identical. Now before we start guys, let me tell you something. We have that channel, Auto Repair guys. This is our main channel, and we have helped more than 69 million people. So if you need help on BMW, any repairs, cars, probably you will find the information guys. We constantly put more videos, and we have so helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs. So check it out and subscribe as well. This is guys the spray that you need to use. WD-40 or regular WD-40 works really good as well. That fitting right here, spray everything really good, wipe it, make sure guys that you do not have any dust, dirt, and spray until you can actually spin that thing. Okay, just like that. Check it out. You can freely spin it guys, because if you can't, that means one thing, that you still have dirt and dust contamination inside, and you may not be able to remove the line that way. Now let me show you okay what we need to do. Once everything is clean, grab the line. Okay, you can see, move it a little bit, a couple times, up and down, up and down. We have one O-ring that will be stuck a little bit, so move it a little bit until it moves about 2 millimeters up and down. Then push it all the way in. Now that fitting right here, while you're pushing the hose in, you're supposed to bring that fitting up underneath the hose. It's going to compress 4 metal plates, okay, and start pulling the hose out. It won't be so easy the first time guys. I guarantee you that it will be a little bit more complicated. Inside you have those plates, inside metal plates, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And when you press that 2, it actually compresses them and you can pull the hose out. Now, if you're missing that plastic thing because people didn't clean it, or they didn't know how to remove it and they broke it, later practically you can install your hose without it and it will still hold in most cases, but you will not be able to remove it next time. In that case you can use this. Those are the tools guys. Okay, something like that. Okay, you can see, let's get the green one now. I think green and red, they fit good, so you need to find which one exactly fits really good. It goes on top of the line. You're going to push it under the hose so it can compress these metal plates, and you're going to release the hose. You'll be using that thing instead of that. So you get the idea guys. And when you're ready to put it together, okay, it's pretty simple. Later, okay, you will need to go ahead, clean right here so you don't have any dust and dirt to get stuck that can cause leaks or end up in the transmission line. And listen now for that click. Now pull it a couple times, give it a try, make sure it's not coming loose guys, and practically this is it. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.